To access the individual status change queue in Compass, click the Work Queue icon located in the toolbar at the bottom of your screen, and then click the Work Queues tab. Once in the queue section, update the current queue to display the individual status change queue. The number in parentheses next to the queue name indicates the number of items in each queue for review. The individual status change queue displays member status and member status reason changes made via Vault. Search options within the individual status change queue include review status, changed in, individuals, status change from and to dates, status reason from and to, queued from and to dates, and reviewed from and to dates. Within the drop-down menu for review status are the options to search for items within the queue that have not yet been reviewed or have been reviewed. The Changed In field allows users to select the application in which the change was made. The drop-down menu for individuals allows users to filter items in the queue by all individuals or by members or officers only. The status change queue from and to fields allow users to indicate specific member status transitions that have been made. For example, members that have been changed from initiates to alumnus. If your organization requires an additional member status reason for certain member statuses, the status reason changed from and status reason changed to fields allow you to search for specific member status reason changes that have been made. The queued from and to and reviewed from and to date fields allow users to search the queue for the status of items during a certain time frame. Each line item within the queue displays the individual with their full name, reference ID, initiation ID, associated chapter, offices held, pledge date, initiation date, graduation date, and their before and after member status. Also, within each line item, users can see who made the change and when it was made, as well as the application that was used to make the change. If the individual has outstanding open issues attached to their record, those will appear in parentheses within the Open Issues link. To navigate to an individual's Open Issues page, simply click the Open Issues link. To navigate to an individual's record that appears within the queue, hover over the line item containing their information and select. Use the breadcrumbs at the top of the screen to navigate back to the queue. From the queue, you can choose to mark the records as reviewed or held and then update the record status using the Process button at the bottom of the queue.